In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Wayfair, an online home store for furniture, decor, and more. Whether you're looking to redecorate your home or just curious about what Wayfair has to offer, having an account will unlock a whole range of features and benefits tailored just for you. So, let's dive right in and get you all set up. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to wayfair.com. As you arrive on the website, you'll notice a sleek interface that's designed to help you quickly find what you're looking for, from home furnishings to outdoor decor and everything in between. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, but don't get too distracted by those tempting flash sales and featured collections just yet. Our task at hand is to get you signed in. Now that you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner. This is where you'll find the sign in option nestled within the account menu. Go ahead and click there. It's an inviting gateway to Wayfair's personalized shopping experience, so let's walk through this together. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email you commonly check because it's not just for account creation, but also for receiving updates and exclusive offers from Wayfair. Type your email into the designated field, taking a moment to ensure that each character is correct, because a simple typo could lead to unnecessary complications. With your email securely inputted, you're ready for the next step. Click on the Continue button to proceed. This brings you to a phase dedicated to verification, which is a crucial part of securing your account. Wayfair is committed to safeguarding your information, and this step is designed to ensure that your data stays protected. Shortly after you hit Continue, check your inbox for an email from Wayfair containing a verification code. If you don't see it immediately, give it a minute or check your spam or junk folders just to make sure it didn't land there. Once you have the code, return to the Wayfair page and enter it into the verification field. Now, having successfully verified your email, you're only one step away from fully creating your account. You'll see an option to create account. Give that a click, and congratulations, you've just joined the Wayfair community. You now have a world of home design options and personalized service at your fingertips. So there you have it, a simple and straightforward process to get you started on Wayfair. Enjoy exploring all that they have to offer, and happy shopping.